Want a Master Ball in Pokémon GO? This video covers how to get one and tips to use it wisely. Part 1. What is Master Ball in Pokémon GO? The Master Ball is Pokémon GO's rarest Pokeball, guaranteeing a catch. First introduced in 2023, it is only available through limited events, research tasks, and rewards. Save it for rare Pokémon like legendary birds or ultra beasts. Part 2. How to get a Master Ball in Pokémon GO 2026. Ways to get a Master Ball in 2026. Special research rewards. Timed event research. Professor Willow updates. Global challenges. Level 70 reward since 2025. Part 3. How to use Master Ball in Pokémon GO. 0-1 save for rare Pokémon. Use on legendaries, ultra beasts, or rare shinies. 0-2 wild encounters. Guarantees catches without escapes. 0-3 raids and research. Secure rare event Pokémon. 0-4 plan ahead. Save this limited item wisely. Part 4. Can I get more Master Ball in Pokémon GO? Yes, but they are limited. Niantic has released multiple Master Balls since 2023, usually through seasons or major events. Players can get more than one, but only a few over time, so save them for rare Pokémon like Galarian birds or Ultra Beasts. Part 5. How to get rare Pokémon quickly without walking. A location spoofing tool like Virtual Location Tool lets Pokémon GO players instantly change their GPS position to anywhere in the world. How to spoof rare Pokémon faster without moving using Virtual Location Tool. Download and install. First, download the Virtual Location Tool onto your Windows PC or Mac. After installation, launch the program and click Get Started to begin setting up. Connect your phone, select Teleport Mode, choose a location on the map, and click Move. Open Pokémon GO to verify the new location.